Let's review the basic operation of Allon. First, choose the appropriate thermowrap for the procedure according to the patient's size and type of surgery. We provide adult, pediatric, and infant thermowraps in different sizes, as well as a specialized cardiac wrap for cardiac surgeries. Open the wrap on the bed with the lot and model number face up and at the head of the bed. The tubes at the end of the wrap should hang off 3 to 4 inches to prevent water obstruction. Confirm that the clamps are open to allow the water to circulate. Connect the hoses to the machine on one end by connecting metal to metal. Listen for the click. It doesn't matter which end goes where, though you can see water in and water out are noted by the green and gray arrows on the device. Next, connect the wrap to the other end of the hoses, connecting plastic to plastic. Listen for an audible click each time. Using only sterile or 0.22 micron filtered water, remove the gray cap and fill the water tank. Make sure the water line falls in between the 2 red lines. A full tank has 6 liters of water. Now that the wrap is connected, turn the machine on. The system initiates a self-test. It will take a few minutes to assure the system's safety. When finished, Allon automatically begins preheating the water. It is recommended that you turn the machine on prior to the patient's arrival to allow the water in the garment to warm up. When preheating is complete, the thermowrap fills with water automatically. When the wrap is filled, it will already be warm and the patient can be positioned on the wrap. Be sure to note the proper placement of the shoulders on the wrap. Now you can prepare the core and surface temperature probes. In the default normothermia mode, Allon relies on constant patient temperature feedback from both core and skin probes to maintain normothermia. Core temperature can be measured by esophageal or rectal temperature. Connect the temperature adapter cables or probes to the device, matching colors, gray for core, green for surface. Connect the probes to the patient and to the adapter cable if using a disposable temperature probe. Secure the wrap on the patient loosely, making sure to leave 1 finger breadth between the wrap and the patient. The default patient target temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. The system will reach the desired temperature and maintain it for as long as needed. A manual mode is also available, which allows for setting the water temperature rather than the patient temperature. By default, the water will be warmed up to 38.5 degrees Celsius in manual mode. Let's go over the control panel screen. Patient core temperature, surface temperature, and set point temperature appear in the center of the screen. At the top are the circulation icon, which shows that water is flowing through the wrap, as well as the duration of treatment, the mode of operation, and the main menu icon. Icons for the temperature graph and the set point selection appear on the right. By touching the menu icon, you can choose the different options and settings you want. To adjust the set point of the patient, press the set point key. You can choose a patient's set point from 30 to 40 degrees Celsius in 1 or 0.1 degree increments. If you wish to temporarily stop thermal regulation or water flow, put Allon into standby mode by pressing Menu and then Standby. To exit standby mode and continue regulating temperature, choose Menu, then Operate. Water will begin filling the wrap. In case of a problem, an alarm will be triggered and an error message will appear on the screen, guiding you as to what needs to be done. Addressing the issue will remove the message. Press Menu and then Settings to access the menu. Alarm limits and other preferences can be set in Settings. When you finish using Allon, drop NADCC into the 6.0-liter, 1.6-gallon water tank as per the NADCC manufacturer's instructions and run the machine for 30 minutes. If Allon is used 3 or more times per week, empty the tank once a week. If used less frequently, drain after each use. To empty Allon, insert the draining connector into the water out on the plastic end of the hoses and aim the draining connector into a sink or bucket. Navigate to the service screen and then press Empty. Press Start when you're ready to begin. Allon will inform you when it has completed the emptying cycle. For further details, please refer to the user manual. Contact us by phone or on the web.